Good morning, everyone. So I thought I'd make a little update on my Mr. Heater. I got my propane tank sitting outside. I don't know if I showed you guys that last time, but just a little hole in the wall, and I've got a nice fan above it, circulate air. I love this thing. If you're thinking about it, buy one. It'll heat my garage that's insulated to about 60 degrees. I'm trying to keep my laser cutter warm, and it does a pretty darn good job. So I go through a tank in about 2 months, but it really depends obviously how much you use it. But I have to keep it warm in here, so yeah. If you guys have any other questions or comments about the setup, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Other than that, go out and get one if you're thinking about it. They are worth it. Have a good one.